Welcome back, guys. We are going to wash the 5 Series. So we have not washed or touched the body of the X5 of the 5 Series yet. As you can see, it's not horrible, but it is definitely dirty and has some years of grime on it. All over. It was garage kept, so not too worried about it. But it definitely needs a good cleaning. So we did another clean out of the tank. It's sitting drying, but we are about to foam gun with our chemical guys. Foam gun. We're gonna foam gun the whole car and let it sit so we can get the first layer of grime off. Our first rinse off is done, and you can see how that shines. That black looks good. This gets us our first look at the actual car, and any imperfections or any defects so far. Rubbing the towel over it, you can definitely tell it needs a clay bar. We have clay bar, but we will pick up a quick wax lubricant for it. So the only thing that I saw dent wise is that. So I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, there you go. You can see it. That's a dent. Paint is a little chip there, so we will find a paintless dent guy to pop that out. But other than that, look at that paint. That's just a wash. That's not even a wax, a polish, nothing. That is just a wash. We have some, like, you know, really oxidation there. There's some chips here and there. Only spot I saw any kind of rust is right there under the windshield, which is a normal place. But if that is the only rust out of this entire car, that is amazing for being a 40-year-old car. Oh, just saw it. Dent right there. Ding right there. We'll get a paintless guy to come out and do all those. But look at that thing. That thing shines. Granted, it's black, and look how the hood, you know, that needs to all be polished. But I honestly, a solid polish on this thing, and it's gonna be perfect. I was gonna lower it and put wheels on it, but guys, on the factory bottle caps in the 16s, it just looks so fantastic. So now that we got the first wash down, we clay bar it, clean it up, and get it ready for polish. But I'm going to do something. See all this trim's in really good condition, but it's a little oxidized. I am going to grab the metal polish and see if I can't bring this back to life. So let's see if we can bring that back to life, guys. So a little before. And I'll show you after. So just did a little bit by hand. You can see it's brings it back a little bit, but you can still see some oxidation up here. That I think that with the little buffer wheel, I think we can get a lot of this to come back. Just have to get in there and really get some elbow grease on it by hand. It takes some of it off, but a lot of this oxidation is been on there for 22 years. So yeah, we just really need to get some elbow grease behind it. But guys, look at that. That thing shines up so nicely. So our next step is I need to run and go get some spray wax so I can lubricate our clay bar. Then we can get all the contaminants off the car and get it ready for polishing, or at least paint correction. I bought some stuff from the auto parts store. It's some stuff for multi-services like paint, especially black. So we will see what that kind of does and how that works, and if we need to go deeper with the polishing pads and actual polisher, then we will. But right now I was just trying to get it cleaned up and protected with a coat of wax, because we still got a lot of work to do on this thing as far as putting the gas tank in, getting the injectors back in. So I don't want to do a full polish on it just yet, because we're gonna have hands all over this car. It's gonna be jacked up. We're gonna take the wheels off. We're gonna clean all the undercarriage. We're gonna, you know, upgrade suspension, new tires, and that kind of stuff. So I don't want hands all over a freshly polished car. I just want to get protected for right now and cleaned up. So we will be back with our spray wax so we can clay bar it.